Of course, she stops as soon as I start recording. Whoa! Do that again, Joel. I was all zoomed in. I barely caught it.
Oh, Spencer, come over here so Joel can jump over a chair. Ow! Sorry.
All right.
All of a sudden there's a leg.
Go for it. I've got it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Right when it was. Okay. Redo. She's going to chase him now. There you go, Joel. All right. This is trusting.
Okay.
I totally want you to do it. He could do it.
Go sit by your. Come watch. Isaac, watch.
No knees up. No knees up. That could be
Oh my gosh.
no problem.
Woo! Right! Yeah! That's awesome!
Did you record it?
Yes, I did.
Oh,
I got it. Honey, she's getting close to the pond and making me nervous. Sorry, she just makes me nervous.
It has nothing toxic in it. It all washes off.
Thank
I just don't want her to drown.
You are so welcome. Pat, I'm really
I'm
glad
just
you came.
paranoid mom. That's all I am.
We've invited you over how many times?
You know, being a first-time mother, I don't know. It's
It's being protected.
Yes, you decided not to come.
That she wouldn't be allowed to go outside for fear
I was
that
just kind of
she might get
frustrated.
hurt.
Was up, I was judging
I just don't want her to fall in the pond.